love. So before we get into this week's video, I just want to show you guys my morning routine that you guys have been asking for the longest time. So I have recorded this video for like 2 weeks and I'm just getting the chance to do the voiceover. So if I'm not wearing makeup, I normally start out with my Cetaphil Gentle Care wash. So if you're the type of person that has like a sensitive skin like mine and you can't use chemicals that are too harsh, and then this is definitely the way to go. So as you guys can see, like I kind of damp my face first with water and then I just gently rub in the thing. So when I watch other persons how they use it, they normally like put it on their face directly. With my face, I cannot do that because too much of one thing can therefore leave like my cheekbones looking really red and having a lot of blemish, in which I don't want that. So as you can see, I gently massage it into my face. I think I did this for like 10 seconds, just to get it in your pores fully. So that's me rubbing it in over and over and over, because I try my best to get it everywhere, get your eyebrows, because sometimes dirt and stuff like that can be trapped inside of it, as well as your eyelash. My eyelash has been done at this point, so I never really wanted the chemical to get on it. So I was like, okay, wash off my hand first, because you want to ensure that your hands don't have the soap, so you have a lot to wash off. I was talking to you guys while I was doing it, letting you guys know that I'm actually doing this morning routine by myself because baby is currently at work. So after your routine for like approximately 10 or 20 seconds, then you just wash it off. You can use any desired temperature water to wash it off, whether you want to use warm water or you want to go with cold water. Either one is fine. At this point, I was using just regular room temperature water. Okay, so 100 years later, we have finally finished washing our face, and I am about to go ahead and use my second wash. So the reason why I use 2 washes is because like what one wash don't do, the other one will surely do. So this one was actually the St. Ives tea tree wash. So from here, tea tree, it's okay, you get a little mint, a cool feeling on your face. This one, no, it actually helps with my pores directly. So the Cetaphil one is more so like a surface thing. This one gets into the pores like directly. So I go ahead, apply it, and I do the same thing, rub it in like up to 10-20 seconds. I'm getting the eyelid, try my best not to spoil my eyelash, kind of do my face in that type of motion, because you don't want to drag your face down too much. And then after that, we go ahead, wash our face off. As you guys can see, yeah, I couldn't see me. I wash my face because I wash my face like a gunman. So I was like, yeah.
Switching up the sessions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm gonna get along. I don't need that they say I'm running through love. My love and nothing I wouldn't do, but I won't do. Switching for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm gonna get along. I don't need that they say I'm running through love. My love and nothing I wouldn't do, but I won't do. Switching for heaven. Send you to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history. Boy, I'm trying to reach your mama on Sunday, but make a lot of love on Monday. Don't need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching up the sessions for you. Get in the kitchen and I'm gonna get along. I don't need that they say I'm running through love. All my love and nothing
this is the other session of the skincare routine. So as you can see, the ordinary, I don't know who don't use this. Everybody and them granny must use this because they know that you cannot go wrong, and all the benefits that they say that this, whether the serum, the toner, the fat water, anything, like it actually do what it says that it will do. So I start with that first, just to like get the face feeling not too dry, because my face was really dry after. Because remember I washed my face like twice, so you know it's like a super dry. So I applied, as you can see, I applied it like twice to get it so into the skin. That is me like rubbing it in, getting it moisturized. Secondly, I use my vitamin C serum. So I already know vitamin C, the name says it all by itself. This serum is really good, because for those of you who don't know, I am a toner in terms of I rub my skin, so therefore this helps me a lot. So like it helps me a lot. So it not only work as a vitamin C, but it also helps my skin to look new and feel new as well. This was where I was like finishing off with the water mist, you know, just to top it off to be the hey, this is the final touches to see, because you can't just spray it on your face and leave it as is. I rather massaging it into my skin, because if I don't massage they just leave it like that, I just feel like it's gonna feel probably sticky and tired. So you know, after all the face rub, I just grabbed my spool and I was like, let me fix my eyelashes and fix my eyebrow. So that's basically the end of my morning routine. I hope you guys find these information useful.
When you love letters, I thought it make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh.
Play Big Pot from Lucky Play Lottery. Big Pot is now 13 times a daily. To confirm your winning numbers, please visit luckyplay.com.
That song there, he said, yo, Celtic. Really,
Whenever
man.
him say that.
No, the radio man say, yo, Celtic. And then that started.
Yeah. So why when I feel like I hear things from people if you repeat it?
Eh?
Why when I hear things I feel like if you repeat it?
You know, all the slangs, the lingos, you know. It's a lingo. Yo, Celtic.
Da. Say what from which part?
Tag.
My Chinese was to the guitar. Come on, what about this one?
So I'm mad about that, babe. I should bend down and baby and put up one.
Say hi YouTube. Hi YouTube.
Alright, that's enough. Go
Tell her say hi YouTube. Mommy, you look pretty though. Thanks. Now I see why I'm so beautiful. Anyways, guys, we have reached our destination, you know. Then we are going there. Go make mommy register for see which doctor and then come back. There. I'll leave the phone with you to talk to them.
Guys. Guys, I'm showing you a model. I joke with that.
What? Why am I come out in this?
There no.
And I'm like the carrot.
Can't leave the Dan alone, you know. Can't leave the Dan. 5 minutes.
No, that's what I need more for. Just in case you ever call it.
Oh,
Yes.
I feel have one.
Bye. And I will just like, eat again. In candy face and we make him play joker. Come here, David, man. Maria, I love it, boy.
Sure, what is the TJ though?
Yes, you know what to do.
Don't lie.
Why
Don't do it. The TJ over there.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
We couldn't do any cute, so.
Now I got to focus on the muscles of that man. I'm because you don't remember.
I know I can't. Wait.
It takes me long to
Oh
find
yeah. You no, not for the lip. Oh yeah, kiwi. It's a 5 minutes too. I think I'll come over in there and practice.
Master level.
Yes. What did you tell me? Yeah. And maybe I think very good. Macaroni and cheese. Go to our vice. Macaroni and cheese.
Oh, good. So like a man stuff.
Yeah, like change voices. It's in fast. It's James. Yo, come here. Yeah, come here.
Do the Italian.
Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese.
Can't eat them now.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God. See, they make sure you got the shine.
Get you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on with. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna die with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You don't make it time. Okay, oh, it's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone who cares. Maybe don't you be so sure that you cry. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream.
Hey guys, so I am home alone today. Babe say him know how back in today, him don't wanna tell today. So I was like, okay then, let it be. Yeah. So you guys are just hearing me only today. So I don't know the routine already. I am always working. Yeah, as a working girl. So I'm currently working, making some phone cases and necklaces and all of that. So you guys can just show me for today. But yeah.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. Way too sexy. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. Way too sexy. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Hey, whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to Metro housing. I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your.
Can't go on. Can't go on. Can't go on. First official parking.
If you ain't driving behind LA Lewis, you ain't saying shit. And guess who's driving behind him? Me guys. What's that LA Lewis have crown pan him sitting?
Why am I crown pan on him?
I'm gonna leave car back daddy.
Afternoon guys, we start late today. Probably tired, so we start late, but we're up on the road. I run some errands, labor drive, you know, get in our lessons them. So we can manage the road, you know. So make sure I deal with it. I go on passenger print it. So she still, she get her bus right tonight, but baby, she angle it. Yeah. Right, this one. I'm about to turn out this one, man. Right, this one. Push up, look more. Look more nice, yeah. But turn the steering to the left. To the left. 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 So do already? Yeah, then push up now. And some more. You that. Yeah, what you want to know teeth? Yeah. So they ever going good, not gonna lie. I'm happy. Proud of.
You have this, you know?
Yeah, no, not that. I'm put it in a show me used to it. I'm proud of her. She's going good.
Come get my free food here now.
Yeah, we have this Chinese place we name Double. Right in front of NCB Towers. But this Chinese food place, man, I tell you. You see me? I need to check them out. I'll be a free promotion when I give people, you know, but we just tell you about the things them we like.
Yeah, I don't get free promotion, not Sky.
Yeah, but me I bust them, me I big them up. You know, when them starts the people, them come in, just tell them, say, DC and Sky send us, so them know what go on. Alright.
End up start use the other soap now, so it's in the face of break rug.
Yeah. So you
Just stick to one.
Get back and soap. You can buy it to the store. Turn back in a tour in time.
Yeah, the deodorant now.
Hey guys, see this.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me be better.
Hi guys! Baby's having a car karaoke, but because I wanted to say something, I don't want to be copyright, so I'm kind of pausing music. But yeah, I don't know, so the girl's birthday is the 24th of July, and I am excited.
Great things in store.
But I can't wait to edit this vlog for you guys, like the birthday vlog. I'm gonna love it. Hey guys, so you have also come to the end of this video for this week. Don't forget to like,
share and subscribe. Share to a friend them. Like on the family watch it, but don't make them watch it on phone or device. They watch it on for them own device.
You heard that, guys? Yeah, so I'm gonna just stay tuned for next week video. So next week video is all about like my birthday maintenance. So I'm gonna, you know, I still get my hair done, my nails done, everything right up until the birthday. Yeah, bye guys, love y'all.